Minus 20% of discount. That's either the gift from fate or the plot of the true crime story. Hey, Anna! So, I was looking up your Central Asia, and came across different options. By the way, does it actually mean that you are working for that, what's its name? Minzifa Travel?
Hi, Alim. Yes, you got it right. So what's shaking baking? What's bothering you?
So, I looked at this tour in the internet and checked the price. Actually, everything looks great, but I found cheaper one.
Cheaper is great, but the question is, what exactly is cheaper?
Well, the tour, the same countries, almost.
Almost is my favorite word in tourism.
It says here authentic experience, flexible itinerary, and unique conditions.
Well, Alim, let me translate for you. Authentic experience means we live however it turns out. Flexible itinerary means no timing whatsoever. And unique means surprising.
You are purposely dramatizing it right now.
No, Alim. I've just been working at Minzifa Travel for 8 years. Tell me, does it specify which hotels, what kind of transportation? Is there a license guide? Who meets you at the airport?
It says details to be confirmed.
Alim, that's exactly where the price difference comes from.
But what if everything is fine? What if I'm just overpaying?
Alim, you can save on a t-shirt, but you only save once on a trip. You remember it for a lifetime. I'm not selling a tour. I'm responsible for your vacation.
Alright, Anna. Thanks for the information. I will think about it. Central Asia. Wow, 20% of discount. Sounds great. Yeah.